Hello student, today we are going to learn what is refrigeration, what is refrigerator, and also important application of refrigeration. First, what is refrigeration? Refrigeration is the science, is the method of producing and maintaining temperatures in a space below that of the surrounding atmosphere, and also maintains this lower temperature by continuously abstracting, by continuously removing heat from that space. The method of reducing temperature of a system below surrounding temperature. This is the method of reducing temperature of a system below surrounding temperature. In refrigerator, heat is removed continuously from a system at a lower temperature and heat is transferred to the surrounding at a higher temperature. If within this temperature T1 and surrounding temperature T2 surrounding temperature, higher temperature, T1 inside the refrigerator, inside the space, lower temperature. According to second law of thermodynamics, external work is required to transfer heat from cold body to hot body, from lower temperature to higher temperature. Therefore, in refrigerator, power is consumed to cool that phase below the atmosphere temperature. Heat transfer from lower temperature T1 to higher temperature T2 by the help of some applied work. Here compressor do this job. Okay. Now, what is refrigerator? What is the refrigerator? The device used to maintain the lower temperature within required space. Inside this space is called refrigerator. Within a space, within the closed space where maintain the lower temperature, where maintain the lower temperature, these are called refrigerator. These are called refrigerator. Now, some important application of refrigeration. Number one, ice making, manufacturing of ice, cooling water, etc. Number two, transportation of food above and below freezing temperature. Storage and transportation of food like fruits, vegetables, fish, dairy product, etc. Number three, industrial air conditioning. The air conditioning required for industry, manufacturing of photographic film, processing of petroleum and other chemical product, etc. Number four, comfort air conditioning of human being, comfort air conditioning of auditorium, hospital, offices, vehicles, etc. Number five, preservation of medicine and syrup, etc. Number six, liquefaction, that means make liquid of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, etc. Okay, thank you.